not so much I choose pathology. I think pathology chose me. The first time I wanted to choose a specialty to call my profession, I went to a lot of departments and I tried to choose the profession that suits me best. And the last department I went to was pathology department in University Kebangsaan Malaysia. And the head of department was so welcoming that I felt that this is probably the best place for me. And when I decided to return home to Sarawak after serving in UKM, I met Prof Mazida, who was the dean in Unimas at that time. She's a pathologist, and when I told her that I wanted to choose pathology, she told me that it was on her birthday and that was the best birthday present. My biggest inspiration, I would say, my family, especially my parents. They have emphasized education since we were small to all of my siblings and myself, and I'm very grateful for their motivation, and without them I wouldn't be here today. My research spans throughout the diseases. Pathology is a study of diseases, so we looked into a lot of diseases. But one of the things that captured our focus is cancer, because cancer is one of the most devastating disease there is, and there's a lot of attention in cancer at the moment. But we do look into other research focus. This book offers some glimpses into pathology and into cancer, which I very much hope that it can give some information to the lay person, to everyone, even my daughter and my family, so they are aware of what cancer is and what I do as a pathologist.